Good day. I am Valiant Cadena, currently handling Production 1 as Senior Supervisor at MEC Electronics Philippines Corporation. I am also responsible for supervising interns from PUP Maragondon campus who are assigned to various departments including instrumentation, engineering, quality assurance, and production. The following interns are currently assigned to the production department: Nicole Emmanuel Barcelona, Tristan Bituin, John Brian Di Capasio, Gleriel Cuesta, Reina Cassandra Daaco, Charis Ann De Guzman, John Clarence B. Gonzalez, Paul Jasper Jasareno, Fiona Mata, Kevin Molina, Kenny Paculba, John Eldrin Rosales, John Steve Sorino, and Jenley Erickson M. Isip. The intern from PUP Maragondon campus have consistently demonstrated competence comparable to that MEC electronics engineers. They contribute innovate ideas that support process improvements, enhance productivity, and ensure high quality output. These interns successfully complete relevant and impactful projects prior to the conclusion of their internship, reflecting their strong technical capabilities, initiative, and professionalism. The interns from PUP Maragondon have consistently demonstrated valuable contribution to MEC Electronics Philippines Corporation. They have shown strong initiative in providing innovative ideas that support process improvement and operational efficiency. They exhibit the professionalism, willingness to learn, and the ability to collaborate effectively. Their contribution have had a positive impact on the company.